In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Adobe Fill and Sign to Google Drive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to open PDFs stored in Google Drive right inside Adobe Acrobat and use the Fill and Sign tool without downloading or switching windows. This is great for keeping your documents in one place while speeding up form filling and approvals. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and make sure you're on the Home view. You'll find Home in the top left corner of the interface. The Home view gives you a central hub for recent files and connected storage, which is exactly what we need. Look over to the left-hand pane and find the section labeled Other File Storage. This is where Acrobat lists cloud services you can connect to. Click Add File Storage. Think of this as telling Acrobat which cloud drive you want it to browse so you can open, edit, and sign without leaving the app. When the list of available services appears, locate the Google Drive option. Click the Add button next to Google Drive. This links Acrobat to Google's sign-in flow so your files can be accessed securely from within Acrobat. Your default web browser will open automatically. Sign into your Google account if you aren't signed in already. Choose the account that holds the documents you plan to work with. When prompted, click Continue to grant Adobe Acrobat permission to access your files. This authorization allows Acrobat to display your Drive folders and open PDFs directly, while keeping your Google account protected. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that as usual. It's part of Google's normal security process. Once the connection is confirmed, return to Acrobat. In the left pane, you'll now see Google Drive listed under your storage locations, and your Drive folders will appear inside the app. Navigate to any folder, open a PDF, and you're ready to work. To start editing a form, select the Fill and Sign tool. This tool lets you add text to fields, check boxes, and place your saved signature or initials so you can complete paperwork quickly. Because the file is opened from Drive, your changes stay in sync with your cloud storage, helping keep versions consistent across devices. That's all it takes. Open Acrobat and go to Home, add file storage, choose Google Drive, authenticate in your browser, and then access your Drive folders right from the left pane. From there, open any PDF and select Fill and Sign to get to work immediately. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more connected document workflow.